A lot to talk about. We're so curious about the weekend, about this lunar eclipse, and what La Nina means for the future.
Yeah, I just want to say, interesting. There is a lot going on for sure, so we'll get to it. It is raining outside of Portland right now, 50 degrees. So, okay, yeah, it's better than 45, right? And temperatures will actually be going up overnight tonight as warmer air is moving into the region. The rain has been with us for really since about 5 o'clock. It started a little bit before that, and there's more coming our way. May break up a little bit, but I don't really expect it to end until the morning hours tomorrow. There's been a little over a quarter of an inch in Portland, 3/10 of an inch in Vancouver, and a bit more than that in Hillsborough. McMinnville already closing in on a half an inch of rain. At the coast, it's been a little bit lighter until you got down to Tillamook, where they had 7/10 of an inch of rain. Okay, so we'll start with the lunar eclipse. Sunday night, totality begins at 8:29, which is right when the moon will be rising over Portland too. The greatest eclipse is at 9/11. The question, of course, is will we be able to see it? Odds are not good. Now, moonrise is at 8:29 in the southeastern sky, right as totality begins, which is kind of cool because it would be coming up looking sort of like that, and the moon looks bigger when it's closer to the horizon, so it would be big and red if it was clear. But the odds of having a clear sky west of the Cascades, not great. I mean, we could end up getting lucky, see the clouds break up, but I wouldn't bank on that. Better chance for some clearing east of the Cascades. Now, as far as La Nina goes, we're coming off back-to-back La Ninas. What's interesting is we're probably going to go to a three-peat La Nina. That's not happened very often here at all. And when you look at our spring, and this just validates what everybody's been feeling and talking about, it's been really cold. In fact, it's our coldest spring, April 1 through May 12 since 2011, and top 10 coldest on record. And look at how much colder than last year. The average high temperature was nearly 68 degrees. This year, it's just a little over 58 degrees, so like 10 degrees colder. The rain, even more dramatic. It's our wettest April 1st to May 12th period on record with 7.46 inches of rain, a full 7 inches more than the amount of rain we had same period last year. So that is really remarkable. So why is the question? Well, La Nina got stronger mid to late winter, and that's just given us this very La Nina-like pattern that has persisted through April now and into May. Now, what's happening with La Nina and what it is, it's a deviation of the normal sea surface temperatures in the Pacific, but it's not just at the surface, it's at depth. And the fact that it goes down to like 600 feet means there's this good pool of cold air out in the central Pacific that's likely going to keep La Nina rolling. So what does that mean? Well, if you look at the numbers on this, La Nina expected to continue into fall and potentially winter as well. There's only been two other three-peat La Ninas on record, 75 and then again back in the 50s. Both of those summers, the middle summer like this one would be, had well above average rainfall. So more cool and wet weather is on the way for sure. I don't see any big warm spells that last for like weeks coming in the next couple weeks anyway, but we do have some warm, dry weather in the 7-day forecast as this system will wind down tomorrow morning and leave us with good weather for the weekend. So watch Futurecast. You can see how Saturday, this is 2 a.m., that's when we get the heaviest rain. Then it dries out as early as 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. We may get some showers rolling in on Sunday, but that looks pretty light and scattered, nothing like what we're dealing with tonight. So all in all, the weekend looks good, as do Monday and Tuesday. So it's almost a 4-day dry streak on the way once we get through the rain that we have out there tonight, which will end in the morning. And it is wet out there. It's 50, like I said, freezing level on the way up from 4,800 feet. Okay, then tonight, rain overnight, but it ends in the morning. We get up to 65 tomorrow. Then we'll bounce up to 70 on Sunday and near 70 on Monday and Tuesday. And then the cold weather comes back at the end of the week because, you know, La Nina. Guys.
I just have to say to end the week, let's just say see you later spring and hello summer. Let's just bring it in early.
Right.
That's how I'm feeling.
Thank you, Matt. Have a great weekend.